Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use trim, split and cut for InShot app. Now let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app. In here tap on the video and then tap on new option. Here choose the video that you want to work with. Now tap on the check mark. Here if you scroll like this, then you guys can find out pre-cut option. If you tap on here, then you guys can trim the video like this, and then if you tap on cut option, you guys can also cut the video. Now if you tap on split option, you guys can also split the video. If you tap on multiple split, you guys can also use multiple split. To remove the changes, you have to tap on here. Then if you tap on OK, then you can also remove the changes. And then you guys can see the changes. You guys can also split the video by using split option here. And then if you tap on the split option again, then you guys can split the video. You guys can also trim the video like this. And if you want to delete the parts that you don't want, then tap on the video and then tap on delete option. And here to save the changes, you have to tap on the save option. Then this video will be saved on your device. So this is how you guys can use split, cut and trim options on InShot app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.